Question of the week. Does loan interest get paid back to me as a dividend? Loan interest does not get paid back to you as a dividend. Insurance company, when they loan money, they charge interest on that money because they're loaning you their reserve money they have to keep in reserves that they can't put into bonds or other investments that they make. And so they're going to charge interest on money that they've loaned to you from their reserves. Then when you pay interest, it goes back to them as part of their profits. And mutual insurance company pay dividends based on the profits that they receive. So if the company is profitable, and most companies that we represent have been profitable for over 100 years, so they have an idea of what they're going to be able to pay in dividends. They can kind of project that. They get those profits of which loan interest is part, and then from there, they share profits with their policyholders because they're mutual companies. So the amount that you're going to receive in dividend does not necessarily reflect the amount that you paid in loan interest. That's not how the dividend is calculated, but rather the insurance company takes into account how much death benefit your policy has, how long your policy has been in force, because those two things determine how much of the share of the profits you get. Can the loan interest come back to you in the form of a dividend, or can your dividend be greater than the amount that you pay in loan interest? Yes, but it's only because you would have had the size of policy or the policy long enough to warrant that higher dividend. It's not because that's how much loan interest you paid back on the outstanding loan. So although dividends can be paid that exceed your loan interest or that equal the amount of loan interest that you pay in any given year, dividends are not based on loan interest. When you pay loan interest, it's just going to the general profits of the company, and then the company is sharing those profits with all their mutual policyholders. So if you have any questions about how dividends are calculated, we have a podcast for this. We can link that for you, because dividend interest rate or interest rates and dividend rates are not the same across the board for all companies. And so it's important to understand how the dividend rates and the interest rates are calculated so that you have a better understanding of how this works for your policy. As always, if you have any other questions or if there's something that we can help you with specifically for a policy, or if you'd like to purchase life insurance, we are licensed in all 50 states and we would be more than happy to help you.